In this video, I'll show you how to change the pitch of your audio in CapCut. If this helps you, please consider subscribing and giving the video a like so others can find it. Open the CapCut app on your phone, then select New Project and add the video that you wish to edit. Once your video is ready, go ahead and select the video and scroll to the right until you see Extract Audio. Once you have your audio ready, go ahead and select your audio, then select Audio Effects, and you're going to search for the option High and for the option of Low. Here, select the option of High if you wish to have a high pitch, or look for the option Low if you want to edit a low pitch.
I'll show you how to change.
You can also double tap it and adjust it to your liking.
In this video, I'll show you how to.
After your video is ready, just go ahead and export it, and that's it. Hope that helps.